Welcome to this comprehensive overview of CEX.io, a user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange designed for beginners and experienced traders alike. CEX.io offers a seamless trading experience, robust security features, and a variety of tools to help you manage and grow your cryptocurrency portfolio. In this video, we'll walk through the platform step by step to show you its most essential features. First, navigate to CEX.io's homepage. You'll notice a sleek and intuitive interface. At the top, you can easily toggle between markets, staking, and earning options. Signing up is simple. Click Register, enter your details, and verify your email. Don't forget to use the exclusive link in the description to claim your bonus as a new user. Once logged in, you can access your dashboard, where all your account features are conveniently organized. Here, you'll see options for deposits, withdrawals, and portfolio management. To start trading, head to the Trade tab. You'll find a wide range of markets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins, with competitive fees and reliable liquidity. For those looking to earn passive income, CEX.io offers staking services. Simply transfer your coins to the staking wallet, and your earnings will accrue automatically over time. This is a perfect option for users who want to grow their assets without active trading. Now, an important note. Did you know that your USDT can generate passive income? With platforms like Nexo, it's incredibly easy. Just transfer your USDT and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. It's the smart way to let your crypto work for you. Check the description for the sign-up link and bonus. CEX.io also includes a dedicated buy-sell section for users who want a hassle-free way to purchase crypto with fiat currencies. Simply select the cryptocurrency you want, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. Your coins will be credited instantly to your wallet. For enhanced security, the platform offers two-factor authentication, withdrawal whitelists, and email alerts to safeguard your account. Additionally, CEX.io provides an intuitive mobile app so you can trade or monitor your portfolio on the go. If you're interested in exploring advanced trading options, the platform offers margin trading and API integration for automated strategies. These features make CEX.io versatile enough to cater to both casual users and professional traders. Ready to start your crypto journey with CEX.io? Use the sign-up link in the description to get your bonus and explore everything this platform has to offer. Don't miss out on the opportunity to trade and earn seamlessly. Subscribe to this channel and give this video a like to stay updated with the best crypto tips and platform reviews.